Hello, Chef here. I want to show you just how fast you can process 1 pound of carrots with the right tools. So the first thing I'm using obviously is a chef knife. This one here is titanium. You can cut all the tops and bottoms off at the same time. Very quickly, very easy. We're done with the knife. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is peel my carrots. Yeah. It takes about 1 minute or so to peel the carrots. All right, I'm gonna take a break and clean this up. Be right back. You rinse off the peeler when you're done. Bench scraper, always a help. Okay, so I've got this mandolin now, and I'm gonna set it up, show you how I use it. First thing, I put on this butcher glove. It's got braided stainless steel fibers in there, and then I can underneath adjust the blades. So I get the blades set up about maybe 1/8 of an inch where I want them, and I test the first carrot. Okay, that's what we got, kind of a fine julienne. That's good. I think I want it to be just a little bit thinner. Okay, and then I push them through. Can go really, really fast, and if your carrots get a little flexible, you can bust them in half as well. Just want to get them all through there. It's just going to be for a quick coleslaw recipe. Okay, that's good. Moving on to the next one. Okay, that's good. Quick. Oh, there was one hiding there. Yeah, thanks to the glove, I have no cuts. Really, really nice, beautiful carrots for my coleslaw. That's the video. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. Score the chef's tools right there. Keep cooking and have a great day. The finished coleslaw salad. How does it look? Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. Leave a comment. Keep cooking and have a beautiful day.
The Pear Bird.